All right, ladies and gentlemen, karma theory. What is a karma? The word karma means the reaction that you give on a particular occasion in a particular situation. For an example, suppose you know that this thing is wrong. All the non vegetarians, deep inside their heart, they know that this is wrong. They know it. I mean, it is, their tamas, which makes them believe that it is okay to have non-veg. It is okay to hurt someone. It is okay to lie with someone. You just try to overlook your mind and soul, right? And I have not killed that particular animal. It is somebody else who has killed it. I have just consumed it. This is what I have observed while talking to people who were completely non-vegetarian people. I said, I never killed a bird or an animal. It was served in the market. What is the purpose of this soul in this body? The purpose of this soul is to settle your karma. Simple. And why it is settling karma? To give you pain. Because you have done so much of nonsense in the previous life. Oh, Guruji, I'm not getting job, I'm not getting money, I'm not getting honey, nothing is happening in my life, nothing is working. See, it is your karma that you've done in the past and you're suffering. And who started this suffering? Your soul started this suffering. Soul has a vibration. It requires a body to settle that, vibration. And then the suffering starts. You don't get job, you don't get money, you don't get opportunity, right? And you say, Guruji, I've done nothing in my life. I've been good whole my life. I've been praying to God. I've been helping people. I've not cheated people. I've done nothing in my life. And imagine the suffering that I have in my life. Well, Mahadev and Krishna sitting up there are laughing on you. In fact, they don't have time to even laugh on you. They just ignore you people. But on the same time, if you do certain mantras, they are such noble souls that they can forgive you once. I'm using this word once. And if you repeat that mistake again, then Mahadev will turn his face from you. Simple. The biggest karma that you do is when you don't do a karma. For an example, have you ever seen an accident on the roadside? That somebody is bleeding from the nose, from the head. What is your reaction? You just go and say, oh, kitna, kitna chot lag gaya. Oh my God, he's badly hurt. And what do you do after that? You just move, just go away. You just accelerate your car and then just you come home. Who will get out? Who will help this person? The ambulance, maximum you do is you call ambulance. Ambulance will take like half an hour to reach there. But if you put that person in your car, maybe your entire rear seat will be full of blood. And if that person dies on the way, the police will be after your life. And you are going on a job. You have this job interview, which was lined up for you. And you got this opportunity after maybe 45 days of waiting. Right? And you say, no, 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 no. I cannot miss this. Oh, it's my marriage today. And I saw a road accident, and how can I miss my marriage? It's my wife's birthday, and my wife is a very strict lady. So on the way, if I reach a couple of hours late, and my wife is going to ask me, who was that person? Did you know that person? Did you know him? Right? And I have to go home and attend the party. That's it. You know what you've done? You've ignored a person to whom you could have helped. Right? This is one minus karma that will be written. Now, I'll tell you something more about the karma. There are three types of karmas that we have, with us. There are the karmas that we do through manas, which is mind. There are karmas that we do through our body, and there are karmas that we do through our soul. Now, you see what happens is the mind are the actions and the thoughts within your mind. For an example, you really like a girl or a boy or a woman or a man. You never had any illicit relationship with that person in your entire life. You are married, or you already have a girlfriend or a boyfriend. You are committed. but suddenly you develop feeling for someone else. Suddenly, and just a physical attraction, just a physical infatuation, that is not going to last for long. Now you start imagining about that person, physically or mentally. That is one karma which will be written. That is one way of looking at it. Second, you know what? Somebody really did bad to you. You have a very bigger heart, and you did not do any physical or psychological or practical harm to that person. But in your mind, you hate that person. Every morning, every evening, you have a thought that ये बर्बाद हो जाए, इसको वही हो जो मेरे साथ हुआ, तब इसको पता लगेगा. Right? See, practically you are not doing anything. It is mentally you are thinking. But the CCTV camera of God, mentally and psychologically, is just collecting the data. It's collecting the thoughts that you have in your mind, and those thoughts go to the universe, and it is written in your. You see, the algorithm is designed like that, that every single thought that you bring in your mind will be considered as a karma. Imagine you've not done any bad to anyone, practically, physically, you've not uttered a single word against anyone, you've never abused anyone, but within the mind, you have been, cursing that person. Within the mind, you have been having jealousy for his or her success, always thinking, how can he go ahead of me? How did he reach to a level? And where am I? All my classmates are at this highest level. Guys, you'll be astonished that if you have lived 140 years or 70 years of this life of just thinking about how people have gone so higher, why this person has gone so higher, what is the disease that you can get in your next life? I don't want to scare you, but females will have a uterus cancer, a uterus cancer, and males will have a prostate cancer. And what is the soul level karma? Soul level karma is the karma when you know that this is wrong. Okay, I am making relation with someone physically out of my marriage. This is one thing which is hated by Mahadev. There's another category of karma which comes, which is a karma. Listen to me very carefully. A karma means no karma. How will you raise the level of a karma? When you are not having any vibration in the manas or in the body or in the soul, right? Then that a karma is created, right? Or another way of creating a karma is by doing Hare Krishna Maha Mantra. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Beautifully, you will understand the karma theory. You see, this is one bucket. There you have all plus, 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 which is equal to good karma. Navneet helped someone. Navneet gave food to someone. Huh? Navneet gave blessing to someone. Navneet is saying Ashirwad to people after the class. Huh? Navneet is helping birds. Is giving food to the dogs and the birds, or giving water to the plants every day, giving food to the cows. Huh? Always trying to speak sweet, trying to reduce anger, not looking at someone in a bad or a ugly way. But then, right, uh, Navneet is hating someone. Navneet really wants that person should die. uh, Navneet wants lot of money. Navneet wants to have maybe a trip to Goa with the friends and want to booze and have non-veg and want to enjoy life. All this negative karma bucket is increasing, increasing, increasing. Then Navneet came back, and then he helped someone in the hospital. He helped someone in the accident. Again, increasing, 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 increasing. So now this plus is very much higher than this minus. Now with this vibration, you took another birth. Another birth is where you are born in a good family, rich family, Krishna conscious family, right? You are enjoying your life. But on the same time, you are doing some negative karma. Again, someone met this guy that you hate. You again hating that person again. Have bad feelings for that person again. Again, minus, 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 plus, 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 plus. And again, this is a vicious circle. You have to take a debt. You have to create a bucket for yourself, first of all, right? Which is like a empty bucket, so that you can throw all this positive, all this negative here and give it to Mahadev. Mahadev, ये ले लो मेरे से, मेरे अच्छे कर्म भी ले लो, मेरे बुरे कर्म भी ले लो. Take everything from me. Take everything. Huh? I am yours and you are mine. मुझे मुझे किसी का अच्छा जो मैंने दिया था मुझे वापस ही नहीं चाहिए. इट इज लाइक अगर आपने किसी को 100 रुपया दान में दिया किसी बेगर को, डू यू हैव एक्सपेक्टेशन दैट दैट बेगर शुड कम इन नेक्स्ट लाइफ एंड गिव रिटर्न 100 रुपीज बैक टू यू? हाँ, आप कहते हो जैसे भगवान ने गाइड किया वैसे मैंने किया. हाँ, सो यू नीड दिस अकर्मा बकेट. Akarma is no karma. Na? So all this plus and minus should go here and Mahadev should make it into neutral. You see, any proton or electron that you see, any electron, any electron or maybe any molecule. Look at Mother Nature. Any molecule, if you're a science student, has an electron, proton, and a neutron. But do you know what is the percentage of electron, neutron, and proton? Electron and proton is only 1%. 99% of a molecule is a neutron, is a neutron that has no charge. Only 1% is electron and proton, right? And this 1% is what we are doing, and we are not focusing on this 99% thing. Imagine what we are. Yes, Jyoti is saying this is correct. This is correct. Only 1% is plus and minus in any molecule in this universe. 99% is neutral. If you can understand a molecule, you can understand everything. You can understand nature, you can understand, life. And after going through 84 lakh uteruses, after passing 84 lakh uteruses means yoni. Yoni means uterus. The uterus of that insect, uterus of that bird, of animal. Now you are in the human uterus. Again, a blessing of Mahadev. Now you have that vibrations where you can understand the vibrations of your soul. Your soul tells you, hey, look, this is wrong. You're not supposed to do it. That is, and when you ignore that, that is the soul level bad karma that you've done. At times you don't know which is right or wrong. You're walking, so many insects are dying under your feet. You're driving. It is a karma which is not at the soul level. Forgivable. When you go up there, ये जितने भी नॉन इंटेंशनल कर्म है माफ कर दो. महादेव कहते हैं इसको छोड़ो, जाने का. हाँ, ये बताओ इसने गंद कहाँ डाला, कहां पर इसने एक्चुअली किसी को हैरेस किया लाइफ में. Bring those karmas. Bring it. Just like your own child who's done small mistake, you said, okay, forgive. No problem. Oh, my 1 rupee coin falls somewhere. कोई बात नहीं बेटा, कोई बात नहीं. Then it is not a problem. Exactly. We are lumps of molecules and we are 99% neutral. Only 1% positive and negative. And we are living in that 1% and we are not identifying that 99% of neutrality that we have. Come on. Imagine. And then